Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold broke through the key $3,000 barrier on Friday for the first time, as investors piled onto an historic rally in the safe haven asset to seek cover from economic uncertainty sparked by US President Donald Trump's tariff war. The euro rose on Friday after German parties agreed on a fiscal deal that could boost defence spending and revive growth in Europe's largest economy. The dollar weakened against the euro, but rose against the Swiss franc and the yen, underpinned by the likelihood the US government will avert a shutdown. Asia hedge funds weathered the March sell-off better than their US counterparts, helped by Chinese stocks as investors rushed into that market. Asia-focused hedge funds posted an average 0.71% loss this month until the 10th, compared with a 2.6% drop for their US peers.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.